Today we will start our sixth class 6, physical science. Now in the last class, we have studied how solids, does they have a definite shape or not. That means all solids have a fixed shape. Now we have done an activity based on that. Okay, what we have done, we have taken a container. In that container we have placed different solid objects. After placing those solid objects, we observe all the solid objects we have placed in a single container, and afterwards we have placed each single object in different containers. Now we observe that there is no change in the shape of your objects. Thus, we concluded that solids have fixed shape and fixed volume. Today, we are going to learn our another activity. Now, today we will do another activity to show that liquids have fixed volume. Liquids have fixed volume, but they don't have fixed shape. Okay? We will find out an activity that liquids have fixed volume. For this, what are the materials required? First thing is the materials required for this activity are: take 100 ml of water. Okay, 100 ml of water you take, a beaker. Okay, now glass, a cup. Okay, now water bottle. Now these are the requirements. The materials required here are 100 ml of water, beaker, glass, cup and a water bottle. Now we need to find that they have fixed volume but the shape changes. Okay? Now for this, the next procedure is what you need to take, whatever materials you are taking. I am taking first a beaker. This is a beaker. Now afterwards I have taken a glass. This is a glass. Next I have taken a cup. Okay. The last one is a water bottle. I have taken a water bottle. This is a water bottle. Now in all these things, first what I have taken, a beaker, next glass, next cup, next a water bottle. Now in all these, I am filling 100 ml of water. Okay? I am filling in the beaker 100 ml of water. In the glass also I am filling 100 ml of water. In the cup also I am filling it with 100 ml of water. In the water bottle also I am filling 100 ml of water. Okay? Now when you look at all these things, the volume, that means the quantity of water filled in all these things is 100 ml only. But when you look at the shape, and I have poured it in a beaker, how does it look like? The liquid will be looking similar to a beaker shape. Yes or no? When you look at your glass, when I pour the water in the glass, it will be similar to your glass. Shape will be similar to the glass. When I pour the water in a cup, it will be similar to the shape of your cup. Okay? Now, when I pour it in a water bottle, the shape of water is similar to a water bottle shape. Hence, in all these things, we have filled how much quantity of water? 100 ml of water. Volume. Volume is fixed. But when you look at the shape, they are taking the shape of a container. Whichever container, if you fill it in a drum, the liquid will take the shape of a drum. Like this, in whichever things you are filling the liquid, it will take the shape of the same container. Okay? Here, volume is fixed, but the shape of the liquid will be depending on the container. Thus, we conclude that liquids have fixed volume, but they will take the shape of a container. Follow, children? Liquids have fixed volume, but the shape will be depending upon the container which you are filling the liquid. Okay? Understood? First our activity is, does liquids have fixed volume or not? Next, we are taking the materials. 100 ml of water, beaker, glass, cup and a water bottle. Now your procedure is, take 100 ml of water. Fill in a beaker, glass, cup and a water bottle. Now after filling in these things, you observe the volume of the water is 100 ml only. But when I place it in a beaker, the liquid is taking the shape of a beaker. When I place it in a glass, it will take the shape of a glass. When I place the same 100 ml of water in a cup, it will take the shape of a cup. When I place the same water in a water bottle, it will take the shape of your water bottle. From this activity, we conclude that liquids have fixed volume, but their shape depends on the container. Okay? Your liquids have definite volume, but their shape will be depending on the container. Whichever container you are taking, it will take the shape of that container. Okay, children? In the last class, we have studied solids have fixed shape and fixed volume. Now we have studied liquids have fixed volume, but their shape is depending upon the container. Whichever container you are taking, the liquids will always depend on the shape of that container. Okay, children? In your textbook, you have this activity. Today, you all learn that activity. Once you read that activity and write in your own words. I am giving you the homework now. Write it in your own words. I don't want to copy that. Write it in your own words. Note down your homework. homework is write an activity to show that liquids have liquids take the shape of the container, in which take the shape of the container. Write an activity to show that liquids when poured in a liquids when poured in any container, it will take the shape of the container. Okay, children. Activity means always write aim, materials, procedure, and last thing is observation, result. What you have done in this activity, what you have achieved. That liquids when poured in any container, it will take the shape of the same container. Okay? Today your homework is this one. Aim, materials, procedure, your observation, and the last thing is the result. Whatever you have achieved in this from this activity. Okay, children? Tomorrow in the next class, we will learn about the gases. Today we have learned only thing about the liquids. In the next class, do gases have definite shape and definite volume? Okay? Okay, children. Thank you.